Yeah, Neil, logging on to put the final dot. Can you remember the password? You said it was. Kaping, right. Here we go. Okay. So I'm just going to pause so that I can get let the GPS find itself. Okay, there it is. Put the dot in. So yesterday's mileage was 98, which is pretty good because I have 2 last night. Quite a few rain squalls came through, and I wasn't going to go in the dark, that's for sure. So we're just going to have a look here now. There we go, that looks better. Let's get us in the center here, Mr. Fenter. And see if we can do one more. So it's quite early in the morning. Sun's just coming up. And we have got 13 miles left. So lekker, get in there just now. No, what am I saying? An hour and a bit, because I'm doing 5.5 knots flying. Okay, that's the final dot. And if I have a look here, just for the record, on this route, total length 6,018 nautical miles. 6,018. Alright, let's just have a look here. Come on then, let's have a look here. I wonder if it'll fit on. I don't think it'll fit on. Let me see if I get one more out zoom. There we go. There it is. The blue route. 6,018 miles. Rodney Charles. Ay. Crazy. So there we have it. Alright, more videos later when we get to that site. I need to put this thing onto charge.